Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll start solving exercise 17C from chapter Circles. So starting with question number 1. First question is MCQs and there are 5 MCQs. So first one is, in the given figure, O is the center of the circle and chord AB is to chord CD is equal to 3:5. If angle AOB is equal to 60 degree, angle COD is equal to. So 4 options are given: 60, 120, 90 and 100. Now let's start solving. Options बाद में देखो students, options रेफर ही मत करो, लास्ट में देखना एक बार आंसर मिल जाए तो. So extremely easy है. We had done some conclusions at the end of introduction video. So conclusion को ही utilize करना है यहाँ पे. What was the conclusion? It was, if you are given the ratio of two chords, यहाँ पे AB and CD का रेशियो दिया है. So if you are given the ratio of two chords, it is 3:5 over here. Then the ratio of the angles formed by these chords will also be same. Okay. So chord AB का एंगल क्या फॉर्म हो रहा है at the center. Okay. So chord AB का एंगल क्या है at the center? It is angle AOB. And chord CD, it is forming angle COD. So the ratio of the corresponding angle subtended at the center will also be the same. AOB is 60 degree. COD find करना है. So very easy. Cross multiply करो. So 60 into 5 is equal to 3 into angle COD. 3 को भी शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. ठीक है, तो 3 को शिफ्ट किया. 3 2s and 0. 20 into 5 is nothing but 100. So angle COD is equal to 100 degree. So fourth option is the correct answer. So for first MCQ A, fourth option, that is 100 degree is the answer. All right. Second MCQ B. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle and angle OAB is equal to 55 degree. Then angle ACB is equal to. Again, don't look at the options. पहले solve करते हैं. Now O is the center of the circle and chord AB form हो रहा है. ठीक है. Angle OAB दिया है. It is 55 degree. Angle OAB is 55. Okay. ये पूरा angle. This angle is 55. Then angle ACB कितना होगा, ये एंगल पूछा है. Now I can easily find out ACB if I know angle AOB, because I know angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended on the circumference of the circle. Okay, so angle AOB is twice angle ACB. I'll repeat, angle subtended by the chord. Okay, AB is the chord. Angle subtended by the chord at the center is twice the angle subtended by the same chord on the circumference. Circumference पे ये chord जो भी angle form करेगा, it will be half of the angle formed at the center. Okay, so I can say angle ACB is half of angle AOB. So to find ACB, I need AOB. Okay, ACB find करना है लेकिन उसके लिए AOB required है. तो AOB कैसे find out करेंगे? For that we'll consider this triangle OAB. Okay, I'll draw this separately. OAB. AB is the chord. O से A join किया, O से B join किया, then OA and OB are the radii of the circle. करेक्ट. तो OA and OB इक्वल होगा लेंथ में, बिकॉज OA and OB बोथ आर रेडाई. सो दिस इज एन आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल. सो इक्वल साइड्स का ऑपोजिट एंगल्स इक्वल होगा. ये साइड का ऑपोजिट एंगल एंड ये साइड का ऑपोजिट एंगल दोनों इक्वल होगा. करेक्ट. नाउ आई नो एंगल OAB, इट इज 55 डिग्री. एंगल OAB इज 55 डिग्री, तो ये भी 55 डिग्री होगा. This is 55 तो ये भी 55 हो गया। थर्ड एंगल मैं इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकती हूँ यूजिंग सोमैट प्रॉपर्टी, सम ऑफ मेजर्स ऑफ एंगल्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स इज 180 डिग्री। सो टेक द सम ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स, एंगल AOB plus angle OAB plus angle OBA is equal to 180 degree। एंगल AOB तो मुझे फाइंड करना है, OAB एंड OBA दोनों 55 है, सॉरी 55 है, 55 प्लस 55 110। So that gives you 70 degree। Angle AOB मुझे मिल गया, it is 70 degree। Okay, AOB, this will be 70। So angle subtended by the chord at the center is 70। So angle subtended by the same chord on the circumference will be half of that। 70 का half क्या होगा? 35। So angle ACB will be half of angle AOB। So angle ACB is half of angle AOB, which is half into 70, that is 35 degree। जितना कम स्टेप्स में कर सकते हो उतना कम स्टेप्स में करो, बिकॉज दिस इज MCQ पार्ट। ओके, सो यू डोंट नीड टू शो अ लॉट ऑफ वर्किंग। सो जितना कम स्टेप्स में कर सकते हो सॉल्व, उतना कम स्टेप्स करो। ओके, द ओनली थिंग इज यू नीड टू शो दैट यू हैव डन सम वर्किंग। ओके, सो प्लीज शो योर वर्किंग व्हेनेवर यू आर सॉल्विंग फॉर MCQs। ओके, सो ACB मिल गया, 35 डिग्री है, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज द आंसर। So for B, second option 35 degree is the correct answer। Moving on to third MCQ. C, in the given figure, O is the center of a circle, AB is the side of a square and BC is the side of a regular hexagon. Also arc AD is equal to arc CD. Angle DOC is equal to। Don't look at the options, बहुत ही easy problem है students। Now you are given that O is the center of the circle and AB is the side of a square। AB, chord AB जो है, it is the side of a square। So if I know that it is a side of some regular polygon, okay, square है, equilateral triangle है, regular pentagon है, regular hexagon है, then I can easily find out the angle formed by the side at the center, that is the angle subtended by the chord at the center। Okay, so I can easily find out this angle and this angle। We are also given that BC is the side of a regular hexagon। Okay, so बहुत ही easily हम लोग angle AOB and angle BOC find out कर सकते हैं। Angle AOB and angle BOC। AB is the side of a square। So how many sides are there in a square? 4 sides। All you have to do is consider the angle of the circle। What is the angle of a circle? It is 360 degree। Okay, so one complete circle is 360 degree। So divide the angle of the circle by the number of sides in the figure। How many sides are there in the square? 4। So 360 by 4, that is 90। And angle BOC is the angle formed by the chord BC and BC is the side of a regular hexagon। So angle BOC भी मैं ऐसे ही find out करूंगी, angle of the circle divided by number of sides in the hexagon। How many sides are there in hexagon? 6 sides। So 360 by 6 will give 60। So ये 90 हो गया, ये 60 हो गया। Okay, we have to find out angle DOC। ये angle find out करना है, बहुत इजी है। यू आर ऑल्सो गिवन दैट आर्क AD इज इक्वल टू आर्क CD। AD एंड CD ये दो आर्क इक्वल है। नाउ व्हेन आर्क्स आर इक्वल, द कॉर्ड्स आर ऑल्सो इक्वल। ओके, वो आर्क में जो कॉर्ड फॉर्म होगा, वो आर्क का एंड पॉइंट्स लो एंड उसको ज्वाइन करो, तो ये AD एंड CD, ये AD एंड CD ये दोनों कॉर्ड्स भी इक्वल होगा लेंथ में। ओके, सो दिस कॉर्ड एंड दिस कॉर्ड हैव इक्वल लेंथ। नाउ इक्वल कॉर्ड्स सबटेंड इक्वल एंगल्स एट द सेंटर। We have done this theorem in introduction video. So students, if it is not clear, please clear the basics first. Okay, theorems, properties सब refer करो एक बार introduction video में, and then come to the problems. Okay, so बहुत ही easy properties है. Now equal chords होंगे ये because equal arcs है. Okay, so equal chords will subtend equal angles at the center. So angle AOD and angle DOC दोनों equal होगा. Okay, ये जो angle होगा and ये जो angle होगा दोनों equal होगा. Okay, if this is x, then this will also be x. Okay, so if you look at all the four angles, okay, angle AOB, BOC, DOC, AOD, चारों angles को add करें तो वो चारों angles को add करके पूरा angle of circle बन रहा है 360 degree. So let's consider the sum of all the angles and find out angle DOC. Okay, so angle AOB plus angle BOC plus angle DOC plus angle AOD will be equal to 360 degree. It is forming the angle of the circle. Okay, AOB is 90, BOC is 60, DOC and AOD नहीं पता है, but I know DOC and AOD both are equal. So अगर ये x है तो ये भी x होगा. ठीक है, बस सॉल्व करके x फाइंड आउट करो. So 150 plus twice x is equal to 360 degree. So twice x is equal to 360 minus 150. So that will give 210. 210 by 2, 105. So DOC, angle DOC is 105 degree. So second option is the correct answer. So for C, second option is the correct answer. All right. Fourth MCQ. D. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle, AB is the side of a regular pentagon, then angle ACB is equal to. So we have to find out angle ACB. ये angle find out करना है. We are given that chord AB is the side of a regular pentagon. So if I know that this is a side of some regular polygon, then I can easily find out the angle formed by this chord AB at the center. Okay, so I'll just join OA and OB. So angle AOB I can easily find out. Once I know angle AOB, I can easily relate angle AOB and angle ACB. How? Chord AB is forming, that is subtending angle AOB at the center, and the same chord is subtending angle ACB on the circumference of the circle. And I know the relation between the angle subtended at the center and angle subtended on the circumference. Angle subtended at the center of the circle is twice the angle subtended on the circumference by the same chord. Okay, यही chord है, chord AB ही है, एक center पे form हो रहा है, एक circumference पे form हो रहा है. So angle at the center is twice the angle on the circumference. So angle ACB find out करना है मुझे. ACB find out करने के लिए अगर मैंने AOB find out कर लिया तो easily मिल जाएगा. All I have to do is take half of angle AOB. Okay, so AOB find out करना है. I can easily find that because I know chord AB is the side of a regular pentagon. So angle AOB will be angle of the circle. Angle of the circle is 360 degree divided by the number of sides in pentagon. How many sides are there? 5 sides. So 360 by 5, that is nothing but 72 degree. So angle AOB is 72. Angle on the circumference will be half of that, that is 72 ka half, 36. So angle ACB will be 36. First option is the answer. Okay, so angle ACB is half of angle AOB. We know this relation, right? AOB will be twice ACB. So in short, I'll get ACB is half of AOB. So that is what I'll do. Half of 72. That is 36 degree. Okay, so angle ACB is 36 degree. So for D, first option 36 degree is the correct answer. Last MCQ. E. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. Chords A, B, C, D and EF are equal, whereas chords B, C, D, E and FA are separately equal. The angle AOC is equal to. We have to find out angle AOC. Okay, so ये एंगल फाइंड आउट करना है हम लोग को. ओके, AOC. Angle AOC is angle AOB plus angle BOC. Angle AOB plus angle BOC, right? So basically sum of these two angles I need to find. कितना होगा? ठीक है. I am given AB, CD, EF. These three chords are equal. AB, CD, EF are equal. And BC, DE, FA separately equal. Okay. So BC, DE, FA ये तीनों separately equal है. BC, DE and FA. Equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. Same logic over here also. So ये जो एंगल फॉर्म कर रहा है, ये जो फॉर्म कर रहा है, ये जो फॉर्म कर रहा है, तीनों इक्वल होगा. सो कौन सा एंगल्स फॉर्म कर रहा है? ए बी फॉर्म कर रहा है AOB. सो एंगल AOB इज इक्वल टू एंगल CD क्या फॉर्म कर रहा है? COD. एंड EF क्या फॉर्म कर रहा है? EOF. These three angles will be equal. Okay, AOB, COD, EOF. Same way over here, BC, DE, FA equal है. So BC जो एंगल फॉर्म कर रहा है, that is angle BOC. DE क्या फॉर्म कर रहा है? DOE. Okay. Angle at the center. FA is forming angle FOA. So these three angles are equal. Now when I add all the six angles है ना, 1 2 3 4 5 6. When I add all the six angles, it is equal to the angle of the circle, that is 360 degree. So if I add angle AOB, angle BOC, COD, DOE, EOF, FOA, then it will be equal to 360 degree. Correct? I need to find AOB plus BOC, that is angle AOC. Okay? तो AOB and BOC दिख रहा है, तो उसको पहले ही साइड कर लो. AOB, BOC. Yes. Also, I know AOB is equal to COD and EOF. तो COD and EOF की जगह पे मैं AOB लिख सकती हूँ. ओके, तो जहां पे भी COD एंड EOF दिख रहा है, वहां पे मैं AOB से रिप्लेस कर सकती हूँ. सो COD एंड EOF, इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस आई कैन राइट एंगल AOB. ओके, सो एंगल AOB प्लस एंगल BOC, COD की जगह पे AOB, ओके, एंड EOF की जगह पे AOB. सेम थिंग विद DOE एंड FOA. DOE and FOA is equal to BOC. So DOE and FOA की जगह पे मैं BOC लिखूंगी. Angle BOC, angle BOC. Very very easy. I know sum of all the angles is equal to 360 degree. वो किया. Now AOB plus BOC, that is angle AOC मुझे find out करना है. तो AOB and BOC, they are individually equal to different angles. So AOB is equal to COD and EOF. तो COD and EOF की जगह पे मैंने AOB पुट कर दिया. And same way DOE and FOA is equal to angle BOC. So DOE की जगह पे BOC and FOA की जगह पे BOC. AOB plus AOB plus AOB, that is thrice angle AOB. BOC plus BOC plus BOC, thrice angle BOC. 3 कॉमन ले लेते हैं, इट इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. 3 को यहाँ पे लेकर जाओ, सो एंगल AOB प्लस एंगल BOC is equal to 120 degree. 360 by 3 is 120 degree. AOB plus BOC is nothing but AOC. So fourth option is the answer for last MCQ, 120 degree. All right.